If you want to make $5,000 quickly and legitimately, there are several smart business ideas you can start with little to no upfront investment. First, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, or even virtual assistants can help you land clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where one good client or a few gigs can easily total $5,000. Second, reselling and flipping involves buying discounted or trending product from local markets, clearance sales, or thrift stores and reselling them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Amazon for profit. Third, dropshipping is a low-risk e-commerce model where you sell products online without keeping inventory. With the right marketing strategy, Instagram or TikTok ads, one viral product can generate thousands quickly. Fourth, selling digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or stock photos can bring in fast, scalable income with high profit margins and no shipping involved. Fifth, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting others' products using your blog, YouTube channel, or social media pages, especially in niches like tech, fitness, or finance where payouts are higher. Sixth, renting assets, such as a spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, or camera equipment to local creators, can help you reach $5,000 fast with minimal effort. Seventh, offering local services like home cleaning, lawn care, pet sitting, or mobile car washing can quickly generate steady income if you promote through word of mouth or local Facebook groups. Eighth, if you have basic knowledge of social media, offer social media management or content creation services to small businesses or influencers who often pay well for help with Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Ninth, consider event-based services like photography, videography, or DJing for weddings, parties, or corporate events, where even a single event can pay $500 to $2,000. 10th and finally, print-on-demand businesses using platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble let you create and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without upfront inventory. The right design can go viral and rack up thousands in sales quickly. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. It really supports the channel and helps more people discover this content. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.